In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make 30-minute songs in Suno AI. Most AI tools won't spit out a polished 30-minute song in one click. The trick is to build it in sections, extend those sections, and then stitch everything together so it feels like one continuous, immersive piece. This approach shines with ambient, lo-fi, meditation, cinematic background, and sleep music, where texture and mood matter more than constant musical change. Start by heading to Suno Create. Once you're in, open sample mode. This is where you'll craft a strong starter prompt that sets the tone. Keep it descriptive but focused. For ambient, you might say deep ambient soundscape, cinematic atmosphere, slow evolving textures, instrumental only. For lo-fi, try lo-fi chill beat, warm piano chords, soft drums, vinyl crackle, instrumental only. These phrases guide the generator toward a cohesive vibe rather than a busy arrangement. Click Create to generate a 1 to 2 minute track. Listen carefully to the versions Suno offers, and pick the one with a smooth flow, minimal abrupt changes, and a natural loop feel. Long songs work best when they're simple and steady, so lean toward versions that feel calm, stable, and easy on the ear. Open the song you chose and click Extend or Continue from here. This keeps the same musical DNA while letting you grow the piece. In the prompt area, nudge the engine to maintain the atmosphere. For ambient, say, continue smooth ambient atmosphere with evolving textures and seamless transitions. For lo-fi, use continue chill lo-fi groove with soft drums and warm atmosphere. For meditation, try continue peaceful meditation soundscape with soft evolving pads. You're not reinventing the track, you're asking for gentle development without hard cuts. Repeat this extension process to scale up your length. 2 minutes to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 15, and 15 to 30. Check each extension briefly, making sure the tone, tempo, and texture remain consistent, and avoid sudden shifts that break immersion. When you've built enough sections, open the latest version and select Get Full Song or Combine. Suno will merge the segments into a single long track, saving you from manual assembly and helping maintain continuity. If you want it ultra smooth, download the audio and do a quick polish in FL Studio, Ableton Live, or Audacity. Use gentle loops, add short crossfades at joins, trim any awkward cuts, and test for seamless playback. With this workflow, you'll create reliable 30-minute pieces that feel cohesive from start to finish.